Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I decorated my Christmas tree. So this year, I decided to have a pink blush shabby chic Christmas tree because I'm so into pink shade lately. So why not have a pink tree? I started by spreading the branches and adding the light the day prior. This helps to give the tree more volume and makes it easier to place the lights. The more lights, the better. Next is the topper. I usually start with my topper and work my way down. In my personal opinion, having a beautiful topper is a must for my Christmas tree. I got most of my stems at Hobby Lobby and at home. Some of them were given to me by my friend. I started by putting the bigger stems first and then finished with the smaller, thinner ones. Imperfection is perfect. So, there you go. I think that looks good. You know, it kind of reminds me of Sakura, huh? So guys, this is one of my favorite pieces. It's so beautiful because it kind of looks like snow and it really speaks out the Christmas vibe. I love this one. It's so simple. I always add this on my Christmas tree kasi, I don't know, it gives the elegant look sa Christmas tree even though medyo manipis lang siya, pero I don't know, favorite ko talaga siya, guys. It's not perfect yet, but it's getting there. Ooh, it's so gorgeous. And of course, I gotta have gray color because that's one of my favorite color, gray. I have white and I have the gray color. Tapos guys, idadagdag ko din tong gold feather. It's so pretty. I think I got this from the dollar store 2 years ago. After completing with my topper, I moved on into my ribbon and mesh. This year, I'm using this cute mesh that I got from at home for $19.99. Alright guys, let's tackle with this mesh and ribbons. I took the mesh and folded in layers of 3. You can always do as many layers as you want, but I found that 3 works for me. Also, the volume that you give them is decorator dependent. I did the same thing with my ribbons. This time, I prefer going on one direction. You can also do going on a different directions if you like. Then, after finishing with the mesh and ribbons, I moved on with the stems. Again, I started with the bigger pieces and end to the smaller pieces. Now I'm gonna put this, I think this is a feather? Feather ba? Yeah, gold feather. I place them randomly around my Christmas tree. Make sure you have enough stems to give more full and elegant look. Don't forget to check it from a distance to make sure your pieces is in the right spot and place. And it will also help you to find a perfect place for your next piece. Okay guys, we are almost done. This is very time-consuming process, but it's all worth it at the end. Also, if you like how I decorated my Christmas tree, please don't forget to give this video a like and love, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you! Guys, what do you think about this poinsettia? Isn't it gorgeous? I am so super obsessed with them. It's so luxurious and elegant. This flower will actually covers a big hole or a gap on your Christmas tree. I highly recommend it if you need a filler for your tree. Hey y'all, I think that's it for my Christmas tree decorating / tutorial. Thank you everyone for watching and wishing you a happy holiday season and a joyous new year. Thank you. Bye.